Okay, let's start looking at circles. Here's a little thinking exercise to get you going. There's some words in here you might not know for sure yet. Bear with me, we'll get to them. Suppose I have a circle. Chord AB, a chord is just a line that goes through the circle, but not necessarily through the centre. A chord sits on the circle. M is the midpoint of AB. Is OAB, is this triangle isosceles? Is this side the same length as that? Why? How do you know? Is this half of the triangle and this half of the triangle, are they actually halves? Are they congruent triangles? Are they exactly the same? Why? Does this line intersect this line at right angles? Does it? How do you know? Why does that happen? AOM and BOM, are they equal? Are these two angles equal? How do you know? Now your textbook actually suggests that you explore this with some dynamic geometry. Let me show you how to do that with the TI Nspire graphics calculator. If you make a new document, document, file, new, I don't want to save what I've already done, and add a geometry tab. Now what can I do here? Menu, shapes, circle. Draw the centre and then drag out again to give it the radius. So I'm going to make a line segment from one point on the circle to another point on the circle. Then I'm going to find construction and the midpoint and get the midpoint of that line segment. And finally I'm going to join that up. Construction, no, points and lines, line segment from here down to there. Press escape when you're done, and then you can start doing things like dragging points around. So what was our first question? Is this triangle isosceles? Does this length equal that length? Well, again, you can go back to menu, points and lines, get a line segment, join that line, drag one of the points around, or both, and see whether you can convince yourself whether that's true. Why would they always be equal? Is this angle a right angle? Even if I drag it around, does it always stay as a right angle? Actually, you can get some help for things like this. Measurement. I can actually measure a length, or in this case an angle. I just have to drag out the points, click and turn on the 3 points I want. Not really drag, it's clicking. And then it tells me the size of the angle is 90 degrees. Press escape again. Even if I drag that around, it says it's 90 degrees. Why does it always stay at 90 degrees? Go and have a play and see if you can work out what these are, whether they're true or not, and if so, why are they true? If you don't like using the graphics calculator for it, you can also use GeoGebra, and there's probably some other dynamic geometry software online you can use instead. But I'm trying to encourage you to get used to this calculator, because if you do maths methods or specialist maths next year, you're going to want one of these.